It's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So we are trying to build our 1000 Java interview questions. So as of now, I have did 12, and this is a 13 to 1 I am going to do. So please do follow this playlist so that you will get more idea on different concepts, and I will try to upload every day one video. Okay, so let me close this. Now let's come back to the actual topic, that is a super keyword. So super keyword will come into picture when you have parent and child relationship. Okay, so I have parent, and from there the child is there. That means this is a inheritance concept, right? Inheritance concept, why the child is trying to inherit the properties of parent, right? Similarly here, the child is calling the parent methods are constructors. Okay, from child to parent, I'm going to call the constructors are methods. We will use super keyword. Let's do a programmatic exercise here to understand better about this. So here I am at a class called vehicle, and I have zero parameter constructor. I have a parameterized constructor, and also I have couple of methods here. Good. Now I am here a class called bike, which is extending the parent class behavior with the help of extends, right? So this is the inheritance concept. Now let me show you one thing called bike here. I have taken a zero parameterized constructor for bike. Now, if I simply call super, then what happens here is it will go and it will call this particular constructor. Okay. So from here, if I just put a mouse over, it is automatically coming here, right? So here there is another class having a main method. I am creating a bike class here. Let me keep bike itself. Okay, so if I keep bike, I am creating a new object of bike type. That means new object means zero parameterized constructor being invoked. So from here I am using the super to call the parent constructor. Okay, this is one of the use case. You could see here in the down, it is inside constructor, which is here. Okay, cool. Now let's use a methods directly. Override. Let me take something like display here. Now you could see here one thing is, so from my child I am trying to call the parent class method in order to use that logic. Okay, so the thing here is like this name and the parent class name should be same in case of super to work. Okay, so child class method name and parent class method name should be same. This is a catch, okay, that you need to see. Now this is how you are going to pass on the data here. Now if I simply call, I am calling the display method here. It will come here with this string, and this one is going to call the parent class. Okay, so if I run this, super keyword usage is here. Okay, this is another use case. There is a simple catch I would like to explain here. In case of method, if I have some logic above the super, will work. Okay, some sort of logic also will work. But in case of constructor, if I have some sort of logic as well, will not work here, because super should always be the first statement in, you could see here, call to super must be first statement in constructor body. You should always remember that. Okay, so let me write it here because this can be a tricky Java interview question. Okay, so in constructor in constructor, call to super should always be in first line. Same thing is might not be true in case of methods, because it can be in first line, it won't be in first line. It doesn't matters when it comes to methods here. Okay, so this is a small use case of super super method, a super keyword usage. Hope this is useful and informative for you guys. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. It's me, Karthik.